Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. In this video, I am going to explain construction of X bar chart and R chart. X bar chart and R chart and standard deviation charts are comes under the control charts for variables. Control charts for variables. Okay. Now we will see what are the control limits of X bar chart and R chart with example also. Okay. See, these are the control limits for X bar chart. Okay, control limits for X bar chart. We all know that in statistical quality control, we have mainly Schwartz controls chart. Okay, this is central line. Okay, this is just example. Then we can say this is UCL, this is LCL. Okay, lower control limit, upper control limit. Okay, when our all sample points lie within this region, then we accept our lot. Otherwise, we go for inspection. Other we go that will be different case. Now we will see only the how we can construct the limits for X bar chart and R chart. See, these are the formula for UCL X double bar plus A2 R bar. This is here A2 is table value. Okay, A2 is table value, and central line is X bar, and lower control limit is X double bar minus A2. Here A2 also table value. Okay, these are all the control limits. Okay, for range chart, for range we have UCL equal to D4 R bar, and central line is R bar, and UCL LCL is D3 R bar. Okay, here D4s are table values. Now we will see example. This is a table. Okay, this is a table for charts for averages. Here we have A1, here we have standard deviation, here we have for ranges. Okay, this is example is important. Here this is example in the capability study of a and turning is our here diameter 23.75 plus or minus 1 is here. Our sample size is 6 consecutive pieces was taken was each day of 8 days. Okay, the diameter of these shapes are given below. So here our sample size is 6 1 sample number, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and sample size is 8. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 up to 8. Okay, now we need to construct x, sorry, here X bar chart and R chart to find out the process capability for the mission. So now we need to find the control limits. Already we discussed. For finding X bar chart, first we need X double bar. Okay, then R bar. First we need X double bar. So what is the X bar means? This is the X1 bar. Okay, we can say this is the X1 bar. Okay, this is X1 bar. Here X2 bar. Finally you can got the X double bar. So how you got X bar values means you can sum all these values. Okay, you can sum all these values divides by 8. Okay, then you can get the X1 bar. Now you can see here I already calculated this in Excel sheet. Okay, see, these all are our samples. These are our sample sizes. Now when you add these all, you get 189.58 and 190.21, then 190.13, 189.94 and 190.28, 190. This is the sum. Okay, you can use calculator also in exams for quality control. Okay, then you need to find the mean. For finding mean, what is the formula? I already tell you. Just you can take the sum of values, then divides by n. Okay, for range, what is the formula for range? Is maximum value minus minimum value. Here observe 23.7. Here 79 is the maximum value. Okay, then what is the minimum value? Sorry, here 23.8 is there. 23.8 is the maximum value and minimum value is 18. Okay, when you subtract you can got the 0.62. Okay, this is X double bar. When you add all the means divides by 6, here divides by 6, then you can get the X double bar. And range also same, you can add up all ranges then divides by 6. Now you have all values. Remember here X double bar is there, you have already X double bar. Here r bar is there, r bar value also you find. Now here a2 is there. For a2 you can just check in here a2 column is there. In a2 column our sample size is 8, so this is our a2 value. Okay, then we in for ranges we have d4 and d3 is there. For d4 d3 you can check here. For 8, okay, this is our d3 and d4 values. Now we are going to the calculations. Okay, when you calculate, see this is the graphical representation of x bar chart. Here also you can do. Okay, I did this from R software. Okay, here observe, here center is 21.50593. This is our mean. This is our mean. Yeah, I already calculated. Okay, then we have number of groups. Number of groups means we have here six groups are there, then 8 sample size is there. Okay, then we have standard deviation is 6.833895. How you can get the lower control limit means you can just apply the formula x double bar. Okay, x double bar plus a2 r bar, a2 r bar for upper control limit. Okay, for lower control limit you can just replace plus with minus, and central limit is the our mean. Okay, then you can plot these values in graphical representation also. Here you observe here wide range also there, here also wide range, so this plot should be acceptable. Okay, this is the conclusion of x bar chart. Now you can see the range chart also. Range charts also we already discussed what are the limits and all things. Also you can just substitute in formula, you can get the these values. Here number of groups are same 6, then center is 20.29667, standard deviation is same. Then you can find a local UCL and LCL. Then number of points, here no points are fell in outside limits, so this lot should be also acceptable. So conclusion is what, lot should be acceptable for both cases, in average also, in range chart also. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries related to this question, you can contact or comment. Okay, thank you.